What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris P and I'm back with another video. First and foremost, if you like all the content that I've been putting out this week, make sure that you hit that sub button. Automated Trader is going to be releasing this week, guys. This week, make sure that you guys sign up. Lifetime members are going to get free access to Automated Trader. You're going to be able to go ahead and hook up one account, one webhook for free. And as you guys can probably tell, these systems are literally amazing. Check out these last trades. This one was actually taken on the FTMO account, guys. FTMO, this works with FTMO, and now you can actually go ahead and just click this open trade and literally set up a live trade directly on your FTMO, directly in your Hanko trades, directly on your broker of choice, and it's literally going to go ahead and open a trade for you manually. And as you guys can see here, we opened up this manual trade. It was for $115. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the gold bot. As you guys probably know, the Trusted Signals gold bot is gonna be on Hanko Trade. Hanko Trade is an amazing broker, especially for Forex pairs. We have partnered with Hanko Trade to provide a giveaway to you guys, so everybody who uses the link in the description is gonna go ahead and be entered to win a $2,000 giveaway, and we're gonna go ahead and pick 4 users. So make sure that you use the link below to sign up to Hanko Trade. And then remember, guys, it is all about the symbol. So if you want to go ahead and copy the bots once the copy trader is released in Automated Trader, it's going to be a lot easier if you're using the broker of choice. So today's video is actually about Telegram, and this is a very simple thing. Every time an alert is fired, you're going to go ahead and get a notification. And of course, you wanted to go ahead and execute an MT4, but you also want to go ahead and get notified. So it is simple as this. Go ahead and add bot. You're going to want to go ahead and click this. You're going to want to go ahead and open up the desktop. And once you open up Telegram, all you're going to have to do is click start. Okay. And then you're going to get your chat ID. You're going to want to go ahead and copy that chat ID, come right here, paste that in the chat, click next, and boom, that's it. You're going to go ahead and start receiving Telegram alerts directly onto your desktop, directly on your phone, and they are updating the way it's going to look. As you guys can see here, it's a little bit different from last time, and it basically just shows you the name of the webhook, right, and the new trade that's open, risk percentage. But with the next beta release, it's actually going to be showing you where price is. So for example, it will say open GJ, position, take profit, and all that good stuff. So trust me, guys, this thing is literally amazing. These webhooks are literally amazing. These things are smashing, and we have a bunch of things planned for you guys this year. And guys, get Trusted Signals, get Hanko Trade, get Automated Trader, sign up today. Peace.